Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Mr. Pearson coming to you guys with an update for physical science. We are taking a look at Unit 1, Investigation 2, Activity 3. So Activity 2.3 on Schoology. Our big question, how does our model of charge interactions connect with a variety of phenomena? All right, so we see some buzzwords here that we should have picked up through Investigation 1. Okay, we've been talking about charges, interactions. Okay, phenomena, remember, is just an event that we're trying to explain, right? So we're trying to explain why the pie pans fly off the Van de Graaff generator. Why does your hair stick up when you go down the slide? Why do your clothes stick together when they come out of the dryer? Okay, some big questions that are driving the our experiments and stuff like that through these first couple investigations. All right, as we jump in, a couple things here. I have a discussion post linked for the warm-up. A couple different items we will come back to in just a minute. Jumping over to the interactions page, STEM website, Concord website, whatever you want to call it. Couple different things here. Jumping into this first part. There are some more questions it's asking you about. Again, the questions are about these pictures here. As I move forward, it illustrates this apparatus called the Franklin's Bells. Okay, and I do have a video linked up here, which shows you the setup and actually shows this setup going on. Quick overview, you've got this Van de Graaff generator. There's a wire that's attached to one can, and there is a metal ball that hangs in between, and I won't spoil the video. You can see what happens from there. Okay. Moving on to the third part of the investigation here, you can see that there's a couple questions. It breaks that video, if you will, into 4 different parts. Okay, so part A, before the VDG is turned on. Part B, after it's been turned on and running for a short amount of time. After moving towards can 1, what happens when it touches it? Okay, and then what happens as it starts to move towards can 2? All right, so again, a couple questions about those different situations. And then here we are wrapping up the investigation itself. Again, we've got a warm up here. There is a link to the video right here. There is a reading at the end of the investigation as well. Take a look at that. Let's make sure that that stuff gets into your notes. As just a reminder, these readings are mainly that they're providing you information and giving you information on key vocab and things like that, which is going to continue to become more important. Again, we see a check for understanding at the end here. So again, I'm going to continue to produce these screencasts because they just serve as sort of directions. While we are going to be in class more, we're still going to be here one day and not the other. So this just ensures that wherever we go, if we miss a day or something like that, that we have those directions that we need. So any questions, shoot them to me on Schoology. I'll talk to you guys next time.